Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where package could not be registered is an error on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the SFC scan. DISM is not needed unless SFC doesn't work, which is a very rare case. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. The next solution is to reset the Microsoft Photos app. Okay, so search for Photos in the Windows search bar and click on App Settings in the right pane. Scroll down and click on Repair first, let it repair, then reset it. Okay, so earlier we needed the PowerShell commands to reset to reinstall Microsoft Photos, but now we have the option right here. All you need to do is click on uninstall and uninstall the Photos app. It will need a few minutes, and after that open the Microsoft Store and search for Photos and hit enter, and then go to Microsoft Photos and then click on install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.